Want to easily turn your designs into functional code? Let me show you how with Cursor, a tool that lets you design apps in minutes. Cursor is a design-to-code tool that can instantly turn your designs into production-ready code. Let's say you want to create a landing page for LogRocket. Just write a prompt letting the AI know what you want and then open it up on browser. And it supports multiple programming languages like HTML, React, Next.js, pretty much anything that your team uses. See, you don't have to just hand off designs and then cross your fingers, because it directly handles the design to code translation for you. But what makes Cursor stand out is its MPC server feature, which serves as a bridge bringing external context into Cursor. Now, what does that mean? Now, this feature enables connections to services like Google Drive, Notion, and most importantly for designers, Figma, helping you incorporate documentation and requirements from these sources into your workflow. Now, all you have to do is connect Figma to Cursor and have it recreate your project into code. And there's a couple ways to do that. You can either follow the instructions on the official Figma to Cursor MPC page, or connect it through the Cursor Talk to Figma MPC plugin. Wow, that's a long name. Either way, you're gonna have to set up a custom MPC server on Cursor, which will look a little something like this. Overall, setting everything up took me like 10 minutes. And once you're done, it's really easy to edit your designs. For example, I can take this card design that I've created and add it to the landing page that I previously created for LogRocket, and you have a little something like this. All that's left to do is keep prompting until you get exactly what you're looking for. Overall, Cursor MPC has 3 main benefits. The first one is speed. You can go from idea to working prototype in literal minutes. Secondly, things will be accurate because your code will match your design. No more things looking different in dev. And thirdly, you'll have fewer bugs. Why? Because less manual code equals fewer mistakes. Simple as that. And especially if you're on a fast-paced team or constantly iterating, this is huge. So if you're tired of slow handoffs, mismatched UIs, and endless design tweaks, Cursor MPC might be worth checking out. And hey, if this was helpful, subscribe to LogRocket for more UX design tips.